Hello everyone, welcome to Rome Tech. Today we will be discussing how to download and install resource packs for Minecraft 1.21.4 on your Mac. Let's get started. First, you'll need to open your web browser and go to a resource pack website. For this example, we'll use modrienth.com. Once you're on the site, scroll down or click on Discover Mods, and then click on the Resource Packs tab at the top. Now, you need to select a resource pack. I recommend filtering based on your Minecraft version. So let's find the game version filter on the left and click on 1.21.4. Okay, now that the resource packs are filtered, let's pick one. We'll go with the Faithful 64 resource pack. Click on it. Once the resource pack page opens, click on the Versions tab near the top. Then find your Minecraft version, which is 1.21.4 in our case, and click on it. Now click the green Download button. Save the resource pack to your Mac. I'm going to save it to my desktop. Alright, we've downloaded the resource pack. Now, let's install it. Open your Minecraft launcher and make sure you've loaded the correct version of Minecraft, which is 1.21.4. Once Minecraft is loaded, click on the Options tab, and then click into Resource Packs. Next, click on Open Pack Folder. It should pop up. Now, just drag and drop the downloaded resource pack into this folder. Done. Exit out of that folder. You should now see the resource pack appear in Minecraft. Click the arrow next to the resource pack to move it from the Available column to the Selected column. Make sure it's above any other resource packs you might have. Now click Done, and Minecraft should reload with the resource pack enabled. Your Minecraft menu might change. Click Done again and then go ahead and play a Minecraft world. As you can see, we've loaded into our Minecraft world, and it might look slightly different. That's because we are using the Faithful 64 resource pack, which basically looks like vanilla textures, but they are higher resolution and have more detail. Now we can go ahead and start playing Minecraft with our resource pack as we normally would. And that's it. If this video was helpful, please leave a like and consider subscribing for more Minecraft tutorials. If you have any questions or comments, you can leave them below. Thanks for watching.